Shrimp peeling machine from Foshan Soontrue. User-friendly HMI with memory function, easy to operate. Servo control system with precise mechanical motion, realizing higher pass rate. Automatically finish processes as shell separating, shrimp cutting, deveining, and peeling, offering stable quality and labor cost saving. Compatible with different peeling shapes and shrimp sizes, meeting various of customers' needs. 8 groups of preset parameters, covering common shrimp types, reducing customer learning costs. Soontrue has rich experience and great ability in machinery manufacturing. Advanced factory ensures high product quality and short lead time. Strong team make our deliveries always exceed customer satisfaction.